Hello guys, today I've got the NAVEE GT3 Max electric scooter and I'm going to show you how you can easily find the user manual for your scooter. You've got actually two ways of doing so. The first one is the easiest one because you need to have only the application. Here in the application, just tap Learn More and tap Product Manual. That's it. The second way is maybe not more difficult, but it's longer. You need to at first go to your web browser and search for the scooter's name, which is NAVEE. GT3 Max, and you need to add here user manual. Here, as you can see from NAVEE Service, we've got instruction manual, or here NAVEE electric scooter in the PDF file. As you can see here, we've got everything. Remember to use only these websites such as NAVEE Service. Don't use these third-party ones like DWN, because these are just third-party websites with ads, and these are without any ads. That's it. Goodbye.